The ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum K10 impresses with its powerful 580-watt motor and 48,000 Pascal suction, making it highly effective for tackling dust, pet hair, and debris on various surfaces. Offering up to 65 minutes of runtime, this vacuum is perfect for cleaning large areas, and its self-standing design allows for easy pauses during use. The LED smart touchscreen and one-button control simplify operation, providing real-time updates on battery life and enabling seamless switching between modes. Transforming into a handheld device, the ElecKeys K10 comes with a range of accessories, making it versatile for cleaning tight spaces and different surfaces. Its V-shaped anti-tangle brush and LED headlights are designed to combat hair tangling while illuminating hidden dirt under furniture. Equipped with a 7-stage filtration system and a large 1.8-liter dustbin, this vacuum ensures efficient cleaning with minimal maintenance.